Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone or iPad and sometimes you are missing the password. So this video is very important for you. Share for you key. This is the software. Using the software, you can very easily unlock the iCloud, Apple ID, MDM bypass as well. This is one of the best software I saw ever. In this video, we will see how to download, where is available, and what is the process. We can see detailed demonstration step by step. So this is the official URL. I already add this link in video description. You click and come to the here, and this is the Tenorshare. They are creating a bunch of different software also. So one of this software, and I make this video. For you key one click password unlock for iPhone and iPad. How many features available? Unlock iPhone, iCloud, Apple ID, MDM bypass, turn off, find my iPhone, screen time passcode, bypass, find stored password. The software available for Windows and Mac, and rest of information is here. If you want purchase this software, so here minimum price is available here. Which price you are suitable, accordingly you should purchase the software. Just simply click here, free download. Currently I am downloading the software on my Mac. After complete the download, you just simply open this one, click twice, just simply drag and drop. I already installed the software, so my installation is completed. I just simply open here my app menu, open here the application Tenorshare for you key. So the application is open here. Wait couple of seconds, complete this application. So look at this here, the application is open here. Even I get this subscription as a pro version. Now here is my iPhone. I just simply connect here in my MacBook, and let's see, the iPhone is showing here. And how I do this process, I just simply click here, start one, and first of all, removing this lock will erase all data. Make sure if you are removing the password, so same times you are erase by default all data is erasing the software, and then this device is totally new. So this point you can think about it. I just simply show it to you my iPhone here. Personally, I am not able to open my iPhone after adding the password, and now my iPhone is unavailable to access this one. For trying 1 minute again, I try so many times but still not able to complete this process. So I just simply connect the lightning cable and open the software in the screen, and just simply start here, clean to start. First of all, you can recognize your device in this particular application. So how you recognize? So connect this device via USB. I already connected here, plus volume up, volume down, and press power button. So your iPhone is totally restart and showing like this. So that time you can come to this application are showing me the model and the version. So we need to download the specific firmware, the particular location of the application. So as a downloading point of view, you need to spend couple of minutes, because of this one is a 10 GB. After complete this downloading, you already connected your iPhone in the system. So we can start here removing, start to removing, and you can spend here around 5 to 10 minutes to removing everything. So this removing process, you can automatically delete all the information in your iPhone, even the passcode, face ID, and rest of things. You are receiving totally new phone and get the setup as per your requirement. So boom, using this process you can very easily remove all types of password, face ID, and any types of authentication someone can provide in this particular iPhone. So using this software, you can very easily remove all types of authentication. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.